Hey traders, welcome to pip&wave. Today I've got a quick guide on how to transfer your USDT from your OKX wallet to Binance. Let's dive right into it. Before we begin, just a heads up. The seed phrase you shared is private and should never be shared publicly. It's what protects your funds. If anyone gets hold of it, they could access your wallet. So, keep it safe. Alright, let's transfer those USDT. Here are the steps you need to follow. Open your OKX wallet. Access your wallet and locate your USDT balance. Get your Binance USDT deposit address. Log into Binance, go to your USDT wallet and copy your deposit address. Make sure you choose the right network, TRC20 or ERC20, depending on what OKX supports. Initiate the transfer from OKX in your OKX wallet, select Send USDT, paste your Binance deposit address, and confirm the network type. Complete the transaction. Enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. And that's it. Your USDT will arrive in your Binance wallet shortly, depending on network speed. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe to Pip&Wave for more quick tips on trading and crypto management.